Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add a fav icon onto your Shopify website. So once you're on your Shopify admin board, go to online store and then let's click on customize. Here on the left hand side, go onto the theme settings, the one with the gear icon, and then go onto logo. There's a logo and then this is the one you want to change, fav icon image. You can explore free images sourced from Shopify itself, or you can upload your own images. So I'm going to just select images. You can add images here by uploading it on your own. It doesn't really matter for me, so I'm just going to set it as this ring right here. Let's just set it as that. Done. And there you go. Your fav icon is now set as the picture I just selected, which is a ring. You can also edit here, like you can add a focal point if you liked, but I'm just going to leave it as is. So that is how you add a fav icon onto your Shopify store.